Dear friends, if you are watching my channel first time, I request you to kindly like and subscribe please. Welcome back once again to my exam coaching classes, and thank you very much for your support and thank you very much for watching my videos. And as usual, we are going with some of the very important questions selected from the previous papers. So I have a lot of questions selected today. We will be solving those questions today. And before going to the question, I just want to remind you once again, our new batch for the upcoming exams are starting from 3rd of January 2021. So those who wish to join, they can register their name before 3rd January 2021. A link is given in the subscription also, and the link is given in the bottom also. You can click on the link, or you can visit our website and you can register. Okay, so kindly do it before 3rd January 2021. We are going to start our batches from 3rd January 2021. And the first exam will be SBI PO 29th of January. So we have a special batch for SBI PO 2021, which is going to be held in the month of January, 29th of January 2021. So we have a special fast track course also, regular course, weekend courses. Okay, so you can register for those courses. And if you want any study material support, you can call me, the number is given, or you can write to me. Okay, so let us go to the class and let us solve some of the very, very important questions selected from previous question papers. So here is your first question. What's the first question? The question is 35% of 150 into 16 is equal to a question mark minus 22. So what will come in place of that question mark? That what we need to find out, and the four options are also given to you. What will come in place of the question mark? These type of questions are very, very common, and these questions comes under simplification part. Okay, so if you solve everything, you are finding out 35% of 150 first, then that number multiplied by 16, then you can find out what number minus 22 will give you that answer, LHS equal to RHS. You can get the answer, you can find out the answer, but the problem here is it will take a lot of time. That much time we don't have when we sit in a competitive exam. So we have to solve these type of questions very fast. For that, we need to apply mental mathematics. So what is given? Let me write the same question once again and let us see how to solve it. So here the question is 35% of 150 into 6 equal to a question mark minus 22. This is what given to you. So let me put it this way. 35% of 150, we have seen in our previous video also, x percentage of y will be equal to y percentage of x. Understand very clearly, x percentage of y will be equal to y percentage of x. In that way, 35% of 150 will be equal to 150% of 35. You can put it in both the way. 35% of 150 will be equal to 150% of 35. What is 100% of 35? 100% of any number is the number itself. Suppose 100% of 20 itself. 100% of 40 itself. 100% of 70 itself. Similarly, 100% of 35 will be 35. What is 50% of any number? Half of the number. 50% of 20, 10. 50% of 40, 20. For 50% of 50, 25. Similarly, 50% of this number 35 will be half of 35. What is half of 35? 17.5. So we can find out directly 35% of 150 will be equal to 150% of 35. What is 150% of 35? 150% of 35 will be equal to 35 plus 17.5. So we got 52.5. This is a mental calculation directly you can do. So this part will give you 52.5. That's it. Multiplied by 6. So the question is, sorry, my mistake. The question is 16, not 6. Question is 16. So multiplied by 16, what we will get? Here 50 multiplied by 16 will be 800 and 2.5 multiplied by 16 will be 40. So total will be equal to 840. So 840 will be equal to what minus 22? Take this 22 to this side, it becomes adding, so this will be 862. So from the given options, you can mark 862 is the correct answer. See, if you are doing each line solving and finding out the answer, you will be reaching in the same answer only. But the problem here is we are solving it as fast as possible. Time management is very important for all these competitive exams. Again and again I am reminding you. So make fast calculations. As far as possible, calculate without using pen and paper. Mental calculations are what is required for every competitive exam. So what did we do here? We have 35% of 150 will be equal to 150% of 35, so that we have found out 52.5 mentally. And then multiplication by 16. See, 52.5. Take that 50 multiplied by 16 will be 800. 2.5 multiplied by 16 will be 40. So this total will give you 840. So 840 is equal to what minus 22? The 22 will be added here. So we got 862. So from the given options, you can mark which is the correct option. So this method you have to practice with more and more questions. Then only you can increase your speed. Calculations are easy. Increase your speed. That is what required. Okay. So this is the one of the very important questions selected from SBI Clerk 2020. So let us go with more and more examples. Okay, so here is your next question. The next question is root 4 into question mark is equal to 160 divided by 10. Let us write the same question once again and let us solve it. Root 4 into question mark is equal to 160 divided by 10. So you need to find out what will come in place of the question mark, and you have to find out the correct option from the given options. So again I am telling you, if you find out and solve all these, the LHS and RHS, right hand side and left hand side, if you start solving, definitely you will get the answer. What is the easy method of finding this type of questions? So here you can see, you can just cut this 10 and 0 and it becomes 16. So now square both the sides. When you square, this root will be going out. So 4 into question mark is equal to 16 square, 256. So what will be question mark? Question mark will be equal to 256 and 4 you can cut. How many times 4 in 25? 6 times, and remaining 464. So 64 will be the answer. From the given options, you can find out what is the correct option. 64 will be the option. What did we do? Cut 0 and 10, 16, square both the sides. Why do we square? We square both the sides because we can remove the square root. So when you remove the square root, it becomes 4 into question mark is equal to 16 square, 256. So now 4 and 256 you can cancel. Question mark will be equal to 64. So the correct option is 64. From the given option, you can mark which is the correct option. So this way, these all are easy. What we need to do is take previous year question papers and solve more and more questions. Definitely these are the questions frequently repeated and frequently asked questions. So if you want to download question papers from internet, you can download question papers from internet and practice. If you want the complete set of previous year question papers or question papers related to some particular topic, you can WhatsApp us in the given number, or you can join our online live classes. Okay, all details are given in the description. Okay, so that you will not miss any topic. Okay, so let us go with the next question. So the next question is here on your board. 16 into 54 divided by 36 plus 6. 16 into 54 divided by 36 plus 6. So when you write this question, when using BORDMAS, you will get it like this. 16 into 54 divided by 36. So that will come here plus 6. This way you have to write it. Okay. So we have this type of questions. We have explained a rule. The rule says BORDMAS. What is BORDMAS? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the order in which we have to perform the mathematical operations. Okay, in any question, BORDMAS rule is used to perform the mathematical operation. So division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, bracket, everything comes in a single question. what will be the order in which we have to follow. First we have to solve bracket, then off means multiplication only, 10% of a number, like that. Then division comes before multiplication, multiplication before addition, addition before subtraction. So this order we have to follow. The rule is called BODMAS rule. So here also we need to follow the same rule. So using that, the given question we can write like this. Now if you can delete or simplify something, you can simplify fast. Here 4 will go 4 times, here 4 will go how many times? 9 times. This 9 and 54 6 times. So 6 plus 6 will give you how much? 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 6 will give you 30. So 30 is the answer. So from the given option, you can find out which is the correct option. What did we do? 16 into 54 divided by 36 plus 6. 16 and 36 you can cancel, and you can cancel here also. We got 24 plus 6 equal to 30. So fast simplification is required for your competitive exam. That is what I want to tell you. Fast simplification is required when you write your competitive exam, and that fastness, that speed will come only when you practice with more and more questions. So take question papers, take sample papers and download it from the given site. A site is given in the description. Download it. It is free download. All materials you can download free from my website and practice. Any help or any support you require, don't hesitate to call back. Okay, we will be definitely helping you. So all these questions what we have solved today are taken from previous papers. So this type of questions only will come from the topic simplification. So in the next video we will be meeting with a different topic and different questions. Okay, so meanwhile if you have any query or if you want to ask any doubt, you can put it in the comment box. And if you want to download free materials, again I am reminding you, in the description website is given. So you can click on the website and you can download the free materials. And if you want to contact us, please feel free to contact us. And we will be meeting again with a new topic in the next video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.